Now we solve the fourth part of question second of exercise 4.1. The question is, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of train. Let the uniform speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Let the uniform speed of the train be x kilometer per hour, and the distance is given that a train travel a distance of 480 kilometers. That means the distance is 480 kilometers is equal to 480 kilometer, and we know that the time is equal to distance upon speed. Therefore, the time taken by train to cover 480 kilometers. The time taken by train to cover 480 kilometers is distance upon time. That is, distance is 480, and time is the time is equal to distance upon speed. The distance is 480 kilometers and the speed is x kilometer per hour. Therefore, the time is 480 upon x. This is kilometer and kilometer per hour. Kilometer is cancelled by kilometer, and we get 480 upon x hour. The time is 480 upon x hour. If the speed has been 8 km per hour less, if the speed of train had been 8 km per hour less. First, at starting, the speed of train is x km per hour. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then the speed of train is equal to x minus 8 kilometer per hour, and the time taken by train to cover 480 kilometers at x minus 8 kilometer per hour speed. The time taken by train to cover the same distance at the rate of x minus 8 kilometer per hour speed. The time is distance upon speed, and the distance is 480 kilometer and speed is x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Therefore, the time is 480 kilometer upon x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Kilometer is considered kilometer, and we get 480 upon x minus 8 hour. And according to question, it is given that if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. According to question, this time is equal to more 3 hours more of this time, or we can say 480 upon x is equal to 480 upon x minus 8 plus 3. This time is, or we can say 480 upon x is 3 hours more than this time. Now we solve this equation. Now we take 480 upon x minus, we transfer this term in LHS, it become negative 480 upon x minus 8 is equal to 3. Now we take 480 as common. 480 as common, it becomes 1 upon x, and it is 1 upon x minus 8 is equal to 3. Now we transfer 480 in RHS. 1 upon x minus 1 upon x minus 8 is equal to, here 480 is multiplied in this term, and by transferring it will be divided, and we get 3 upon 480. By cancelling by 3 is one time cancel, and this cancel by 4 1 and 6 and 0 160 time, and we get 1 upon 160. And now we write it as 1 upon x minus 1 upon x minus 8 is equal to 1 upon 160. Now we take LCM of x and x minus 8, we get x and x minus 8. When we divide this term by x, we get x minus 8 minus, when we divide this term by x minus 8, we get x, and by multiplying with x 1, we get x is equal to 1 upon 160. Now we write it as x minus 8 minus x equal to x minus 8 is equal to 1 upon 160. X is cancelled by x, and we get minus 8 upon, because here x is positive and here x is negative, therefore x is cancelled by x, and we get minus 8 upon x multiply x minus 8 is equal to 1 upon 160. Now we, by cross multiplication, we get x and x minus 8 is equal to minus 8 multiply 160. X multiply x, it become x squared, and x multiply minus 8, it become minus 8x is equal to minus 8 multiply 160, it become minus of 1280. Now we transfer 1280 in LHS, it become positive because here it is negative. X squared minus 8x plus 1280 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation.